Welcome back to the channel. It is tech time. We have got two awesome flashlights. This I would consider more of a vehicle based one. This is more of an EDC one. However, some people will want to rock this on a belt loop. Let's delve into these now and take a look. This is David and Goliath. This is absolutely obscene how much light this small torch will put out. And this takes it up to search and rescue. It's absolutely insane. So first thing, this has a 5800 milliamp battery on it. Of course, usual Olight quality. There's gaskets and seals everywhere, so this is going to be as weather resistant as you're possibly going to get. The Baton 4 Pro is a 3500 milliamp battery. So out of this, at 300 lumens, this is going to give you 13 hours of runtime, and on its lowest setting it's going to run for 17 days. So for some reason, if you were trapped somewhere, you were in a vehicle off the road or something like that, you can have this up in the windscreen pointing at a road, something like that. You've got some form of indication. That is an incredible amount of runtime. However, it can be topped. Whereas this one's a bit smaller, it also allows it to be more efficient. This one on its lowest setting is 100 days runtime. I don't know why you would need 100 days runtime, but it can do it. At this point, it's a bit of a pissing contest, really, isn't it? So something new to the Olight range that might have been out a little bit longer than what I've seen is these are no longer just magnetic charging. I love the magnetic charging. Every vehicle I've got's got the magnetic chargers in, but if for any reason I broke it or I don't have one to hand, this has also got a USB-C charging point just inside this protected area here, so it's twist and runs down. That's not going to get full of muck, dirt, debris, anything like that. The Seeker Ultra also magnetic charging on the base here, USB-C on the side of the unit just here, and then this is the bit that I really like about this as a vehicle based one. The reason for that being, you also get a USB-C charging point on the side of this base here, and in the bottom of it you have the magnetic charger. So this can be mounted in the vehicle, permanently plugged in. You get back in the vehicle after walking your dog, searching for something, what have you, drop that back in on charge. How good's that? When you need it again, whip it out its little holster, that remains on the wall, you can take that with you. So both these units have button lock, which I think is very important these days because these kick out so much power. This is going to get very, very hot in your pocket. Okay, this one, press and hold for 5 seconds and it will lock the button. Again, press and hold for 5 seconds, it will remove the lock off of it. On the front of the unit you have a very clear display of what power you're running as well as what the battery life is left. To alter the levels, simply press and hold. Okay, so to give you an indication, press and hold, cycles through. What I like to do with a lot of these is have it on the lowest possible setting, and if I do need to go to full bright, there is a hidden tail switch as well, which you can go straight to the full one. So out your pocket, full mode, and if you just need it to look round, you can just give it the dual one, Moonlight. On the front of the unit, as you can see here, we've got full charge. Turn this on, and as we go up, we can turn the levels up to maximum, back down again. So intuitive. As always, they've absolutely excelled themselves. I've just said I'm going to stick that on a molly panel. However, as you can see here in the back of the box, there is a unit with 2 times screw holes there, so you can mount that to a wall. It's also got the 3M tape so you can stick it on, and what that allows you to do straight away, that clips on, that is going absolutely nowhere, so you can pull that out, drop that in. I knew it was a vehicle-based piece of kit. So, as always, there will be far more details on the website themselves. I've provided the links to these products in the description box. There is currently an offer on these at the minute. That's only going to be on for a few days, maybe a week or two. Check out that in the box. Click on the link. It takes you through. Obviously, it goes through my link as well, so it looks good on the sales. So, do check it out. And let us know if there's any features that you would like to see on one of these products that you don't think it has just yet. And as always, make sure you subscribe because it's not only flashlights, we do all the camping gear, all the fire pits, awnings, vehicle related kit possible. And as always, if you see any of the kit on my main channel that you would like a review on, hit me up, drop it in the comments down below, and next time I'm out and about, I'll try and work it in for you. Stay safe.